Dang. So we are still in bed, and it's what time? Like 8:45 probably. Because it's a snow day today. I wouldn't even say snow day. It's a blizzard day. It's way crazy. I just saw on Facebook. Pull it up. Pull it up. Check out what we just saw on Facebook. Babe! Oh my gosh, she just did it again. Just put it up to the fridge. She does not understand the concept of a camera. I'm used to my iPhone. I was looking up, like putting it up to the screen. Okay, well that's not gonna work. It says New Brunswick shuts down as life-threatening blizzard moves in. How exciting. So, you guys are getting a snow day vlog. And no, we're not going to go play in the snow because I don't think you could. You'd probably just fall in. Nope. No. Nope. No. So we're gonna go shower and get cleaned up so we don't look terrible throughout the whole video. Okay, we're about to get our first official look at this snowstorm. Holy! It's up to the car, halfway through the cars. What? Why is somebody in their car? What the hell? Holy. Okay. Just keep in mind that it's like, what, 8:30 and this is supposed to go till 5 o'clock tonight. See that? That's just white. Nothing. Just white. So, we're gonna keep the window open so we can look at it all day. Person 1, showered. You're not gonna put this in the video. That's Scandy. Person number 2, done. So Emily is gonna go do laundry, and she did her makeup while I was in the shower, and I'm gonna do laundry while she goes to do laundry. I'm gonna do my makeup while she goes to do laundry. Also, my skin is not as bad as it looks in this. Hey, baby. Okay. So you guys can just watch me do my makeup. I'm not doing anything special. I'm doing less than usual. I got a sparkle on my eye and it won't come off. You know why, baby? Why? Because you're a star. You're silly. Done. Does my skin look any better? Not really. My skin still looks really bad. I'm so excited about my snow day outfit. And our new pan from Tammy. This is the best bacon on the planet. Look at that bacon. Get my blotchy arm in there. Now I got your cute face in there. This is turkey bacon. So good. My little chef.
because I can't cook.
I just
for
took it out
shit.
of the package and put it on the burner.
Got that good stuff. I'm scared I'm gonna spill. Ooh, look at that.
Get your plate.
All right. Thank you. What did you just do?
I touched the pan. It stings.
I can't see anything,
Right here.
but she
It
burned
stings
herself.
really bad. Alright, we are all ready with our breakfast. Orange juice. Snowy window. This is our snow day aesthetic. We're gonna do some homework now. I'm gonna work on my research methods. Emily's doing some statistics.
The best.
Both very fun, very interesting subjects. I'm bored.
So we have new developments. The snow is now almost past the fence. So exciting. We're gonna be trapped in here forever. I'm Texan, I can't handle this. So, I just made lunch for all of those who now think that I can't cook. AKA you.
I said you can make a mean sandwich.
Cut some apples, and we're gonna have cheese with it. Because we are toddlers.
It's yummy. I vote that we go watch the Santa Clara Diet while we eat.
I don't know if that's a good show to watch while we're eating, but we keep doing it anyways.
It's really good. It's kind of gross, but look at my cheese.
Do you want another one?
Probably not. We have a whole sandwich and a whole apple. We're probably fine.
Okay.
Subclavian artery and becomes the axillary artery around the armpit region. And it becomes the brachial artery on the right.
So smart.
Becomes the radial and ulnar.
Branches around the elbow region to become the ulnar artery.
You can say it better than the tutorial.
The superficial arch.
Don't know that one.
Then
Alright, we are now back to doing homework, and Brittany is crying because she doesn't have her fluffy sweater.
I left it in the kitchen by mistake.
And she wants me to go get it, but not gonna happen. What? Why are you laughing?
Because you probably will.
Nope, not this time. Normally yes, but no. So we'll be back whenever we're done being tortured. Is that necessary?
Yeah. Tell them what you did right before you turned the camera on.
Oh, I fell out of my chair. Also tripped today when going to the laundry room, so it's been a good day. We're out exploring. Brittany just said she wanted to jump in this hole.
Yeah, I don't know if you can tell how deep that is.
Would literally never be found, ever.
It's like very, very deep. So much snow. Let's see. In here. Can't see anything. The car's over there. Like, completely buried. I don't know how to make it. Yeah.
Anyways, we're going to get snacks.
Yeah. We'll update. So this is by the calf. Like you by the door. Literally can't open the door because there's so much snow outside of it. Craziness! Got myself a Klondike cookie sandwich, but I really was looking forward to my cyclone all day long.
I'm not gonna explain what a cyclone is because
I showed them a video.
and I got dun, 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 to keep me awake.
She doesn't need any more energy.
I need motivation, that's what I need. As I run into the wall.
I'm motivation. We just got an email. School's canceled again tomorrow. Another snow day. Emily's angry because she had an exam.
I was ready. Now I have to take it next week. Now I have 3 next week.
Me too.
Okay, but I was ready and I'm gonna forget it all.
You're not going to forget it all. She's so smart. She's going to ace it either way. So I feel bad for her because I don't want her to be sad, but you're going to be fine. And she knows it. You smarty. But I'm excited. Except I'm nervous because tomorrow is Valentine's Day and I've got some reservations that we're not going to make probably. I'm definitely not making my breakfast reservations. We have to make our supper reservations because all of my stuff is not here. So if we can't get out here, then she's not getting anything for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna be a bad girlfriend.
No.
Anyways, we're gonna eat our pasta and watch yet another episode because we have some time now. Bye!
So, that's the end of our snow day vlog, but apparently we get another one tomorrow because the weather's so bad. So hopefully we can get out for Valentine's Day.
I'm probably gonna have to work, so it won't be as much of a snow day. Also, we wanted to mention 10,000 subscribers, which is
Incredible.
Awesome.
I don't know how that happened.
and thank you for watching our videos and for subscribing to us and for watching our lives. It's kind of crazy.
And
But-
for all the pictures and Twitter accounts and comments and just everything.
Yeah, we started getting like fan Twitter accounts and fan Instagrams. We don't even know what to do. We don't even know where they're coming from.
So just thanks for the continual support and hopefully we can start putting videos out more regularly. We've been kind of bad about it lately.
Yeah, also, sorry there was none last week. I had a really bad flu, like, all week.
Yeah.
But I'm better now. Emily didn't get it. Some miracle. I don't even know how that
Flu
happened.
shot.
Yeah, flu shot. It works. But, yeah. We're going to snuggle, watch another episode of our show. And
Go to bed.
yeah, I'm gonna have to edit this and post it. But yeah, real time. You guys are gonna get it the same day. All right, bye.
Bye.